Hello everyone. Today I just want to show how we can upload the Kinco HMI program and what we need to do for the uploading and how is the procedure of the uploading. Here I have one Kinco HMI and MT 4300C. So I make one small program inside, only reading or only writing here upload, and how I can upload this. Uh, there is one. There is some procedure for upload I need to do. First, I can go to Kinko HMI var, and here I can make a new program only what I need. So in desktop example, in desktop I can make one folder, and I can write this name my upload. Okay, my upload. And for upload, first we need to go tools and upload manager. How you want to upload? First, you need to choose your port. Example, if you uploading by using the network or using serial port or USB. From me, it's connecting by USB here. This is my USB is connecting here to my laptop. So I'm using the USB port. And for starting, you need to upload user data here. So HMI information. So one name can write my upload. So first you can write one name. So which type you want to logo file, you want to reset file, all if you want to make you can select these files completely also. Okay, now where you want to save this file. So I can fill in desktop and I make a new folder, uh, my upload or save it upload. Okay, save and file name, which file. So my up, or I can write upload, save. So starting upload, and here also starting, but first we need to write password. If you know, if you write your program by default, the Kinko HMI password is 68. So you need to write number 8 6 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is a password. Okay, now it's starting here. Okay, now we start, and this one is taking a long time. So I already one time I make, so I can make cancel. So there is one file is coming like this. This is my upload file. Inside I have some file by name is upload or files or something else. So format also you can see here. But when I open Kinko program, so example, when I open, what is happening here? I can open my file. I can go desktop, and this upload is my upload file. Here you can see upload file. So when I open inside, I don't have any program, anything more else I don't have here. So what I need to do first, this procedure need to decompile again your file. Okay, we need for this we need to go again system manager and decompile operation here, decompile operation. So for decompile operation we need to package file. So I go and desktop file and upload. So here I have this file package. When you write your name when you uploading, so this name I already write there. File. Okay, where you need to save this upload decompile file. So again, I can go to desktop, make another folder. So I don't make mistake. Okay, rename. So my upload, my new decompile. Okay, and confirm. I will start decompile here, and I need again the password of your program. So 68. The decompile is success. Okay, you can go exit and one time check. I have this folder here, and inside I have only one name file. Okay, one file with another name. Now I can go open file, desktop, and my new decompile. Okay, inside Kinco. This name is my program name. This is the file I open. So inside you can see I have the frame and this text. So this one I have here, and now is stacking to. I will take off cable. So this is same. This is my program. So this is a procedure for upload the program from HMI. So you need to first you need to upload, and second you need to decompile this file. So otherwise you cannot open your file, and you cannot edit that one. Little bit difficult, but you can do this one. It's no problem, but sometimes for me also first time was a little bit difficult, so I don't find how to do this procedure in any at Kinko HMI. This procedure you can do. Now this software is Kinko HMI. So this is Kinko HMI var. This is a very uh, first program for Kinko HMI. So the new one is Kinko D Tools. So this one, Kinko D Tools, and this also you need to do when you HTML little bit new one. So in middle you can say this procedure also you need to do in that HTML, and the new one also when you want to. I think you want to decompile this. I didn't check, but maybe is same this same procedure need to upload and after decompile that one.